Okay, now we're gonna talk about this transmitting link, which I shown you before. So I'm pretty sure you're already aware that everything we talk about, in the computer networks is uh, binaries. So everyone heard that this is just zero and one. But you might ask, okay, how these zero and ones are coming? So this is the procedure which is coming through these analog to digital converters. So you can see we got transmitters on the left, receivers, and how the signals. So imagine you got a analog signals. Just a typical analog signals could be your voice, not itself, but the voice which is um, being used by mics or microphones and things. So through this converter, which is converting analog output to digital, you will have these digital signals, but these digital signals uh, will be actually uh, converted to, encoded to zero and ones, zero ones, and then these ones will be modulated through a process which every telco engineer are aware of. That is modulation will be modulated and mm, carried by carriers like this and go to the receiver and then demodulated and decoded and at the end will be extracted as it was before. But I'm not going to go through the details, but just a quick show. Here you got an analog signal. The voltage is changing. It's the input for this, and this is a typical analog to digital converter. You can see digital signals are coming like this. Here we got zeros, ones, and things. And inside that, definitely we got, so as you can see, this is the voltage. This vertical is voltage. This is the time. So if the voltage is, for example, more than 5 or around 5 or on top of, the reference 01, it will be it will actually be translated, I can say, to 1. If it is coming underneath that, it will be translated to 0, and this 1 and 1. So that's the way actually all the all those 01s which I mentioned here will be transmitted. So once we say, okay, these 01s will be transmitted, you might ask, okay, how these 01s are transmitting? And what I've told you is just a quick and brief introduction about how these, conversion will happen. Okay, guys and girls, I think that's enough regarding layer one. In next session, I'll talk about the most important thing, which you as a even as a DevSecOps engineer should know about that, and that is subnetting. So I'll see you in next session.